Hello friends, in this video I will guide you through how to fix Roblox connection error or problem reaching servers. First, try restarting your computer, router, and modem if you have one. If that doesn't work, navigate to your search bar, type local app data, and delete the Roblox folder's logs. Launch Roblox and see if it resolves the issue. If not, go to the control panel, set the view to large icons, and open the Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings, double-click on your network, click Properties, and locate TCP IPv4. Check Obtain an IP address automatically and use the following DNS server. Then copy the settings 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Close and relaunch Roblox to see if it resolves the issue. If it's still lagging, try using 1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1 instead. Launch Roblox or access it via the web, and you should be good to go. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.